Mia is 8 years old. You forgot to pick her up twice this week, and you haven't cooked her a proper meal in days.
I am busy, Tony. Beauty takes time. You can't expect me to waste my whole day stirring soup and ironing tiny shirts.
Mia needs a mother, not a stranger who only comes home to change couture dresses, July.
Then hire a premium nanny. I'm not ruining my hands over dishes.
Then this marriage is over. Mia needs a parent, not a decoration in front of a mirror.
Stop acting like it's all my fault, Tony!
Mia, sweetheart, who do you want to stay with for now?
I don't want to choose. I want both of you. I want Mom and Dad.
Of course she stays with me. Daughters belong with their mothers. But you'll send the full support money every month so I can take care of her properly.
If you neglect her, I will bring her home with me. I mean it.
Call me anytime, little star. I promise I'll come.
You're just gonna walk away?
I'm leaving this penthouse to you. Not because you deserve it, but because I want Mia to have a stable home without having to move.
Don't worry about it. Just leave the master smart keys on the table.
But hear me clearly. You better use the support money for her, not your high-end shopping.
Great! Now I'm late for my exclusive VIP spa appointment.
Congratulations, Mr. Harper. The estate is officially yours. I will build a real home for you here, my little star.
Tony, you are burning up. I will call a doctor.
No, I am fine.
You need rest right now.
Why are you helping me?
Because you need a friend.
This house is so empty. I failed, Mia.
You are a good father. It won't be empty forever. Mia Harper, breakfast does not make itself.
Yes, Mom. I'm awake.
Lazy already? Homework after chores. Your father spoiled you too much.
Yes, Mom. I understand.
Don't miss the corners. Dust makes a house look poor, and I refuse to look poor.
Too rough. Ngayon na rin.
Na?
Mas mabiyak so I know I'll write you na.
I wish Mom would hold my hand like that. Can I have money for new shoes? Mine are torn, and my feet hurt.
Shoes? Those shoes still work, don't they? Your dad's money isn't meant for wasting.
I'm writing about my mom. She braids my hair every morning in her styling room. My dad makes gourmet pancakes on Sundays. Mom, are you coming? It's raining. Dad, I'm scared. Can you come?
Poor child. You must be freezing. Let's get you somewhere warm.
Are you? Dad's friend?
Tony said you like rabbits, so I tried. It's not perfect, but it's friendly.
You remembered that? Mom doesn't even remember I hate onions. Then there will be no onions here tonight.
I only mentioned it once, but Olivia remembers everything.
Better?
A lot better. This room? Was this room already like this? Oh.
And these are for you too. Oh, look at these. They're so beautiful.
For me? Thank you so much.
Good night, Mia. You are safe here.
Good night, Mrs. Olivia.
Did you eat this morning, Mia?
A little.
Mia. I came as fast as I could.
Mom. It hurts.
I'm here, sweetheart. Mom is here. You don't have to be scared. You never need to apologize for wanting comfort. Wow. So now my daughter is calling random women mom? July, she is sick and frightened. This is not the moment to shame her. Please. She's obviously doing this to impress Tony. Don't forget who your real mother is. My private driver will pick you up after school today.
Honestly, Mila, Tony Harper thinks he can reduce the support money just because Mia Harper sleeps at his estate more often now.
Mom never loved me. She only wanted the money attached to my existence. I don't want to stay somewhere. I'm only worth money.
Mia Harper? Where are you going?
What is that? Why are you carrying your school bag at night?
Don't touch her!
Tony Harper? What are you doing here?
From now on, everything goes through the High Court. Mia Harper's care comes first.
You are safe now. You can come with us if you want.
Mia, I'm your real mother. Please help me. My accounts are frozen and I have no money left.
You're not crying because you miss me. It's because you miss Dad's money.
No. Mom made mistakes. Please give me one chance. I only have one mom now. That is Mom Olivia. Please go away.
Thank you so much for watching until the end of the video. Subscribe to the channel to learn English through touching family stories every week.